Hi guys, today we are going to explain about the project called Cyberbullying Detection. So this is the cyberbullying detection in social networks, a comparison between the machine learning and transfer learning approaches. So in this project we are going to detect the bullying. So in nowadays we are using so many social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and all. So in those platforms we are getting so many bullying things, like some of the people intentionally they bullied us and they try to criticize us by their comments. So we have to detect the comments and detect the persons so who is bullying. That is the main motto of the project. So whether that comment is having any bullying content or not. So for this one we are using machine learning and deep learning algorithms. So this is the project title, and here we are using in machine learning we can use the NLP technique. So NLP means natural language processing. So in natural language processing what we do means, in normal machine learning we use CSV data or numerical data, but in NLP we are using the textual data. So when we are going to work on the textual data, we use natural language processing algorithms. So here we use the NLP processing. So in this one what we do means, we given the input, so we train the machine with some words which is bullied or which is not bullied. So based on that words it will conclude that so these words are comes into bullying concept, and these words are comes into not bullying concept, like that. So here by detecting this bullying concept we can easily approach the next process, like which person is bullying or which person is not bullying, which comments content bullying content, and which comment is not containing any bullying content, like that. So we will use the machine learning to do this process, to do this machine learning thing. So this is the code for the cyberbullying code. So here we are taken that the data set, like so many like user IDs, posts and the comments also. So here we compile all the textual data, and we will process that data. So after applying the natural language processing, in natural language processing we have so many process, like stop words. We have to stop the stop words and punctuation marks. After that we have to do all the words into same, like small lowercase or uppercase, and after that we have to do the word vectorization techniques and lemmatization and stemming. So after doing all the things, we have to convert the textual data into the numerical data. So here we are doing that same thing. So after that one we are going to apply the machine learning algorithms. So here we use random forest classifier algorithm. So this is the algorithm. So after applying the algorithm, it gives the results with 88% accuracy. So by using this, what is meant by this accuracy means, with 88% accuracy we are going to tell that the particular word is coming to this category with 88% accuracy, like that. Okay. So this is the backend part for the cyberbullying project. So after that one we will see the front end part, like how it is working for a normal use. So this is the front end page for the project. Initially here we are giving some username and mail ID and password. So after entering the username, mail ID and password, we are going to submit here. So here it is asking some text. So what comment you are getting in that social media platform. So after here we have to enter some content, enter the comment content, like that. So after I will use any one of the content here. So after enter the content, I will click on the submit button. So when I click on the submit button, it says as S. S means okay, this is the bullying content. So that means that comment belongs to bullying content, like that we are classifying. Or else we use some other any other content, like any other content like this one. So it is saying that no. So no means it is not comes under any bullying content, like that. So this is the basic project outline.